Oh, hey guys, welcome to my laboratory, and this is my assistant, Nasty Dog. But don't worry, this isn't his real name, this is just his YouTube name. And today we're going to be doing two experiments. One, the Skittles rainbow, and the second one we're going to be lighting a tea bag and it's going to go up in the air. So, what you need is, you need a white plate, some Skittles, and you need some hot water. So you need to put it in a circle, but luckily we've got one from earlier. We have to be careful with it. Oh no. Let's just put them back. There we go. Just that one there. And now we need some hot water. And we're going to pour it in the middle. And it's going to make a rainbow. Now it's going to all start to come in the middle. The warm water causes the sugar and dye in the sweets to dissolve and create a thick rainbow pattern through diffusion. The colours move towards the centre without mixing immediately, demonstrating the solving, density and diffusion. How sick is that, guys? You have to do is you have to cut the top off this tea bag, and this is demonstrating convection. Now we're going to move it all over here for safe. There's two. There's three. Now, all we need to do is, well, first of all, you have to stand away and get ready. And now we're going to light them. Woo! There's the second one. And there you go. And there you go, guys. Bye, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. Bye. Say bye, Nasty Dog.